Hello students, welcome to our class and start our learning with Let's Learn. And our today's topic, potential and potential difference from chapter number 3, current electricity. So let's move on our today's topic. Electricity. Electricity is very important in the modern world. We use the electricity for domestic purpose, like we use the different electric appliances like a fridge, washing machine, different types of motors, etc. We use the electricity in schools, offices. Not only human beings but animals also use the electricity. For example, this is fish use the electricity to catch their prey and also for self defense. So electricity is very important. And next term is types of charges. You know, student, there are the two types of charges, positive charge and negative charge. Positive and negative. Here the different opposite charge attracts and the same charge. Here same charge, negative and positive charge repels. The next term is potential and potential difference. Do you know, student, for a generating of the electricity, water is released from a dam at a higher level, and because of the gravity, water falls from top to down, from higher to lower level. Understand? So same as that means the direction of the flow of water depends on the levels of the point, because water flow from the top level to down level, top level to low level. Understand? So same as the flow of the electric current, flow of the electric charge depends between the kind of electric level. Understand? What is the potential? Potential is nothing but the electric state of the conductor, that determine the direction of the electric current or direction of the current flow. Why I told you direction of the current flow or direction of the electric current? Because we know when the battery is connected to any conducting wire, then if the battery is on, if the switch is on, then electrons move from the negative terminal to positive terminal. This is the direction of the electron. But at the same time, the current will flow, that is denoted by I. Current will flow from the positive terminal to negative terminal. So here the flow of electric charge depends on the level of the, depends on the kind of the electric level. Understand? So the positive charge flow from a point of a higher potential to lower potential. Understand, student? Just observe this picture. Here this is example of water, because water flow from the higher level to lower level. If this is a clamp, if clamp is removed, then water will flow from this top level to down level until the level become same. Understand? Then potential difference. What is the potential difference? In a before previous slide we learned what is the potential, but this is a potential difference. So difference means the value of the potential between 2 points. If you observe this picture, here two conductors, positive charge and negative charge. Okay, the point A at a high electric potential and point B at a low electric potential. So here the difference between the value of the potential between these 2 points is called the potential difference between them. Clear? Potential difference means the value of the potential between 2 points. Value of the potential between 2 points is called the potential difference. Understand? And in this case, that means if we here the 2 points A and B, 2 endpoints of this conducting wire A and B, if the current will flow in this circuit, then that means the work has to be done. and the work done is the what is the value of work done. So we have this formula, potential difference is the work done upon Q. Potential difference is work done upon Q, where Q is charge. Where is the Q is charge. Understand? So work has to be done in this case when switch is on, that means when the current flow from the plus terminal to minus terminal, then work has to be done to take a positive charge from the point of lower potential to higher potential. Understand, student? Then next is potential difference of a cell. Potential difference of a cell. in a previous slide we learned only potential difference, and in this slide potential difference of a cell. This is a cell. So potential difference of a cell means the difference in a potential between these two terminal, positive terminal and negative terminal. Understand? So difference in potential between the positive and negative terminals of the cell is called the potential difference. Understand? When the switch is on, that means when the current flow from this in this circuit, then the difference, this potential difference occurs, and this potential difference is caused by the chemical reaction inside the cell. This is a cell. When battery is on, then the chemical reaction occurs in this inside the cell, in this cell. Understand? And results in the flow of electricity through the conducting wire. The flow of electricity through this conducting wire. This is a conducting wire. End points of this wire is A and B. So when switch is on, then the chemical reaction occurs in this battery and current will flow in this circuit. Okay, and the amount of the work done to carry the positive charge. At that time the amount of the work done to carry this positive charge from the plus terminal to minus terminal is called the electric potential difference between two points. Just observe this picture. Switch is on, then electron moves and current will flow. Here electron moves from negative to positive. Negative to positive. That means the direction of the electron is negative to positive. Understand? Then what is the formula of potential difference? So potential difference means the work done upon charge. Work done upon total charge. So work done is denoted by W and charge is denoted by Q. So V equals to W upon Q. We will prepare our own definition of work done. So work done is work done between the two terminal. What is the question? What is the work done between the two conducting wire? So work done is, if the just consider the value of Q equals to 1. Value of Q equals to 1 unit. If we put the value of Q equals to 1, then the value of V equals to W. So just prepare your definition. If the unit charge flow in the circuit, then the total work done is equals to the potential difference. Understand? So here what is the SI unit of potential difference? So potential SI unit of work is joule, you know already. SI unit of Q, charge, is coulomb. So SI unit of potential difference is joule per coulomb, that is a volt. So volt is a SI unit of potential difference. Understand? Understand the definition of the potential difference? This is a ratio of work done and Q. Understand? And the work done is equals to the, if the unit charge flow between the two end points of the conducting wire, then the total work done is equals to the potential difference. Then let's see the very small values of the potential difference. 1 millivolt. First is a 1 millivolt, 10 to the power minus 3 volt. then 1 microvolt 10 raised to the power minus 6 volt, kilovolt 10 raised to the power minus 3 volt, then megavolt 10 raised to the power 6 volts. Just remember these values. Okay, I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubt, you can clear and use this code and join the Google Classroom, get homework, notes and solutions. Thank you very much.